It's ISE 2025. We are here in Barcelona. We're on the Apantac stand, and I'm joined by Thomas. Hi, Thomas.
Hi, how's it going?
Very well, thank you. Now, Thomas, we are talking openGear,
Yes,
and we're at an AV show,
that's
ProAV
right.
show. How can you help these people?
Well, I always talked about why we're doing openGear for ProAV, right? One of the very important things that we want to do is to bring the reliability from the broadcast world
Yeah.
over to ProAV.
Okay.
Other than what we just talked about on KVM, KVM over IP on openGear, but there are other solutions that you need normally, that are not in openGear. So some of the things we did is, for example, we have HDMI DAs
Okay.
in openGear,
Yeah. Nice.
right? So so you have HDMI DAs in openGear. We have HDMI 4K fiber extenders in openGear.
Yeah.
We have HDBaseT in openGear. So one of the very interesting projects we did very recently is the customer is doing an immersive museum,
Right.
and they needed to extend lots of fiber. They needed to do the fiber in single mode fiber so they could get to the distance.
Right. Okay.
So we provided them, 30, 40 different, 30 or 40 openGear cards that can extend 4K fiber to the projector. And guess what the projectors are using? SDM cards.
Right. Okay.
So that's a complete solution
Yeah.
from openGear to SDM in a complete ProAV environment.
Well, and everything you see here is in stock and shipping and
Oh yeah, everything here is shipping. Yeah, we have 40 different cards.
Yeah.
Actually, we got more than 40, a little less than 50.
yeah.
Yeah, and 10 of them are targeted just for ProAV.
And you've got your good chart here, and there's also over here. We also got the. Is this a new book? This is
This is the new book. Yeah,
So the openGear reference guide version 1.
that's correct. It says that on there.
It's going to be changing regularly, I'm sure.
That's right.
Thomas, that's great. Where can people find out more information about openGear and all the rest of your products?
www.apantac.com.
Fantastic. Thank you much indeed. Do check out, if you're at ISE, stop by and pick up the reference guide. And the other 2 videos we've done here with Thomas on our channel, and everything else we've been doing at ISE is on KitPlus.com.